Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you set your default font style in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your default font style, so as you can set in your vivo phone device. And guys, now let's see how to set default font style in our vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friend, first of all open your phone setting, then guys click on display and brightness, font style guys, tap here, guys click on default, and guys you want to download, so guys you can download from here. So I will click on this default and guys apply from here. Apply it successful. So a default font style has set it in our vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font style in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.